In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Shopify with Amazon for Shopify dropshipping in 2024. This process will seamlessly integrate your Shopify store with Amazon, allowing you to expand your market reach and manage your inventory more efficiently. If you're ready to take your dropshipping business to the next level, follow along as we walk through the straightforward integration process. We'll start by navigating to your Shopify dashboard. Once logged in, look toward the menu on the left side of your screen. You'll see several options, but the one we want is labeled Apps. Go ahead and click on it. This is the section where you can discover a wide range of applications to enhance your Shopify store's functionality. It's like having a toolbox filled with everything you need to achieve new business heights. Once you've clicked on Apps, you'll notice a search bar at the top. Here, type in Amazon to search for apps related to Amazon integration. After a moment, you'll see a list of options in the search results that match your query. Carefully review them and select the app that best suits your needs. This might be called something straightforward like Amazon Integration or Amazon Sales Channel. After making your choice, click on the app. You'll be taken to a page with detailed information about the app's features, pricing, and user reviews, helping you make an informed decision. If everything looks good, you'll see a green button labeled Install or something similar. Click on it to begin the installation process. The app will ask you to confirm that you'd like to install it. Don't worry, this is a standard procedure to ensure you want to proceed. Click Install once more, and voila, the app will begin its installation. After the installation is complete, you should see a prompt or a button to start using the app. Click on this to open the application. This will guide you to the user interface of the app, where the magic of integration begins. Now, the exciting part, integrating your products. Open the app and navigate to Amazon in your web browser. Find the product you wish to add to your Shopify store. Once located, go to the products page and copy the URL link at the top of your web browser. With the link in hand, return to the Amazon app you just installed on Shopify. There should be a designated field or button allowing you to paste this link. Go ahead and paste the URL into this section. This step effectively imports the product from Amazon to your Shopify store, aligning them for seamless dropshipping operations. Repeat these actions for each product you wish to integrate. This integration ensures your Shopify and Amazon inventories reflect each other, preventing discrepancies and facilitating smoother order management. Congratulations! You've successfully connected your Shopify store with Amazon, setting your business up for diversified sales channels and increased inventory management efficiency. Thanks for following along, and feel free to check out our other videos for further e-commerce tips.